A painter sits down thinking about what's there to paint, what's there to do, what's there to No. Got to start preparing to make it bearing. Choosing colors, how the field desires. Being someone that never hesitates. Like a rabbit jumping around, choosing paths, going fast. So the heart can make up ground. Finished. Gotta restart, gotta redo, but this time slow so the thoughts catch up. Going around, having no clue about what to do. Noticing, being too fearsome, being so safe, finding courage, being brave, building up, giving it trust. Didn't work, but once time passes, paint dries up, color shines through. Motivation. Do it again, but this time knowing how, but this time doing it right, but this time mixing in transparent white. Realizing, trying to improve where there's nothing to improve. So let the mind wander, let the mind be right there and now. Let the river flow. While looking back, confidence arises, knowing about what to do, having a plan and doing it, being brave, being there, and going on with a smiling stare. Wanna bring it together, wanna finish it up, but it's too chaotic, there's too much there. I need to clean it up, to make it simple, to think about what's there to paint and what's there to show. Now the time has come to give it care, to let it breathe. Building up, mixing it through, making it fit, adding colors, adding details all around, to bring it together, to finish it up. Now it fits, now it's as one, but watered down like mud out in the rain. Needed light, needed clean, to make it bright, to make it seen. Finishing, so close to finishing. Poetry stops. Things go on. Time passes. Excitement, grief, all the more, continuing to be. More time passes, remembering what was meant to be done. Talking like past myself, just confidently wrong. Taking out from the shelf what was waiting for so long. Craving to be finished, craving to be done. Being sick of all the waiting, being sick of all the no's, just doing it, just doing it. Despite despite things, everything, just doing it feels good, feels so good to have it done, to have it out. Satisfaction.